Demo number 2, tracking an error. In this particular demo, we're going to go ahead and manufacture an error in the environment in order to see and track the error in LogInsight. First, we're going to go ahead and set up our VMK for vMotion to the incorrect subnet. So as you can see here in our environment, we're going to go ahead and go to the IPv4 settings, and we're going to change it to 10.21. After we do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my VM there, and I'm going to attempt to migrate it over to the other host. Sees there that the compatibility check succeeded. It sees the vMotion interface, but it isn't going to be able to complete since it is on a separate subnet. Go ahead and click Finish there. We're going to go over to LogInsight, and we're going to actually type in vMotion so we can actually see all of the ingestion of logs as they happen. Go ahead and click the search, and you can see already that we're getting a migration failed because the ESX hosts were not able to connect over the vMotion network. Notice that there is no error in our environment yet that we can see, but LogInsight is already recording errors. It's grabbing the logs directly from the ESX hosts. You can see the timestamp is correct, 1431, 232, so we know that this is the instance of vMotion that we're trying to track. And we see there that it is showing a physical network configuration problem. So moving back over to the web client here, the error now finally comes up with being unable to go ahead and migrate that VM. So now to go ahead and show you how it's supposed to look, we'll go ahead and change the VMK interface back to the proper subnet. And then we'll go ahead and click on the work in progress there. Click on the finish. You can see it advancing beyond the 20% there. Let's go back over to the LogInsight. Since we didn't specify a failed or a success, we can go ahead and use the same query again. And as you can see, once again, it's already coming up with a whole lot of log entries that we wouldn't be able to see if we were just looking at the vSphere web client. So we're going to click on that one more time to search. And now we can see there that if you look down, the vMotion task has succeeded. If we slide back over to the web client, it shows as being completed as well. So this is just an indication of how powerful LogInsight can be as a tool to go ahead and track issues in our environment.